Hello everyone, welcome to EnggClasses YouTube channel for a video lecture series on digital signal processing. In this video we'll consider a numerical. The task is to determine a direct form realization for the following linear phase filter. The filter is been given as h of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it said that it starts at the position 1. So this is the value at n equal to 0. So now I need to realize this using linear phase structure. So how do I get this? The task is very simple. Just count the number of samples. There are 7 samples. So I must draw 6 blocks. So I'll just help you out in writing the structure, which turns out to be one of the easiest way. So I said I will draw 6 blocks. First I will draw 3 blocks over here. So let me draw 3 blocks here. Yes, and once it is done, similarly draw 3 blocks exactly down to these 3 blocks. Yes, these are going to be the remaining 3 blocks, just drawn exactly below the above 3 blocks. Yes, done. So every block is a delay element, which is represented as z to the power minus 1. They are all the delay elements. This is also z to the power minus 1, z to the power minus 1, z to the power minus 1. Correct? So now just join them. This has been joined, this has been joined. Yes. And now take this and join it to this block. Yes. And just be careful with the arrow marks, the way we are moving. Yes. This here I would write the input x of n. So if you look here, the first block and the last block are getting multiplied with 1. So I have to add these two blocks and I will multiply with 1. So that is the task. So I said I will add this, the first element and the last element. I need to add them, and later they are getting multiplied with the term 1. Is that correct? So here I would add and I will consider multiplying by 1. Similarly, the next two blocks I need to add them and they are getting multiplied with the same multiplying factor, that is 2. So now I will add these two things. So I'll consider this and I would consider this and I will add them, and later I will multiply with the factor. I said it is 2, right? 2. The multiplying factor is now 2. So let me write it over here. Correct? Similarly, I need to add these two blocks and I will multiply with 3. Are you understanding what we are doing? So now consider this block and this block and I will add them. Later I will multiply this with the multiplying factor, that is 3. Correct? And the next multiplying factor is 4. 4 is there after this, so I'll consider over here. Correct? And then add those things so that I'll get the final output y of n. So that is the easiest thing. So I will have an adder over here so that I can add this with the previous one. Similarly, let me have one more adder over here and add this with this element, and just be careful with the arrow mark again. And similarly I will have the last adder over here and I will add this with the previous signal, and here I would get the final output. I would call it as a y of n. So this is how I get uh, direct form realization for the linear phase filter. This I would call it as the linear phase structure. So let me call this as a linear phase structure, which is being drawn in a very lucid way, in a very easy way to understand. I hope you people have understood. If there are any doubts, please let me know them onto the comment section. I would definitely address those doubts. Meanwhile, subscribe to our channel EnggClasses for more videos on digital signal processing. Till then, thank you everyone for watching.